like a coastal grandma. Like, I look like I live in Nantucket. This vlog is gonna be chaos and a spring reset. The duality of my personality, honestly. And a little bit of stagecoach prep thrown in. Like, that is really the holy trinity of my personality. I'm dressed. It is 8:40 in the morning, showered, ready. I only have mascara on, but like showered, ready, dressed. I want to make a whole ass video sitting down and talking through this whole like 12 weeks that I want to do. I've just been feeling chaotic for the last 26 years, and I need to do a little something. I don't know. I want to start planning my life in quarters, because if you plan for the year, who actually sticks to that, vibes? Like, let's be real, vibes. I have to have the urgency to do anything. So I'm starting to do 12-week stints. Let me make breakfast while I talk. I cannot multitask. No, let me make a chai, yeah. I have a very small window of eating in the morning when I am like, you know what, yeah. I just don't get hungry, and food just repulses me in the morning. I don't know why. Like, I would like to start eating a nice small breakfast and not have my first meal be at like 11 or 1. I'm gonna do a what I eat in a week just to hold myself accountable to having breakfast, lunch, and dinner on their respective timelines. Does that make sense? But basically, so here's the gag. We all know that I'm not gonna be able to get a sentence out until I finish pouring this, because can I multitask? No. There we go. Sustenance. Yeah. As I was saying, I don't remember what I was saying. I want to make a sit down video. Like, you know how when people do those challenges, like 75 hard, which I never did, and they'll like do an episode 1, going over the shtick, the guidelines, the whole thing that I'm gonna do, the daily, weekly, the projects, all of that, like run down, like orientation week. And then we can kind of do it together and then document the process via vlog. I've never actually done that before, and you've heard me talk about how much I want to do it, but I haven't. So today is just a bunch of getting shit done tasks. I did film me deep cleaning my entire half of the apartment, like in the windowsills and everything, but I hated it. So it's cut. Oh, also, I want to show you. Also, I want to do a quick little clothing haul, a little try on clothing haul, because I got some stuff from Princess Polly for the spring, and something about getting new clothes for the new season, it hits. I feel like I should make a list. I have my big box of Princess Polly. I love everything that I got. I'm so excited to show you, but thank you to Princess Polly for sponsoring today's video. Obviously, I have a discount code, so if you use the code Sienna20, you can get 20% off your entire order. Princess Polly also ships from within the US, and you can get free standard shipping on all orders over $50, and they also offer Afterpay and Shop Pay to all their US customers. First thing that I got, obviously, is my Coastal Grandma shirt. We love her. I never wanted a blue pinstripe shirt because I was like, blue's not for me. I'm expanding. That's about as far as I'll go. I love how I wear black in the fall and winter, and then as soon as it gets a little warm, the white comes out. I got this super dainty and cute. Oh, me attempting to describe clothes. It's a journey every time. It's frilly. I actually have this in green, which I thought I was doing something by getting it in green. Love it. I never wear it. This top feels like the epitome of spring, transitioning to summer. You're out on the street looking hot with a tan, with a lemonade. I don't know. It just, I love summer. It is not a haul without a cute little cropped tee with some red writing. I love me a good little cropped baby tee with some red writing on it. I don't know. It just does something. When in doubt, a cropped tee with some red writing. Hits every time. I already wore this next set, but it is this super cute light gray pajama set. Yeah, I wouldn't wear this outside of the house. It's very thin material, so it's perfect for spring and summer. I wear the same pajamas all the time. I really want to branch out and romanticize my pajamas more. Just a good little loungewear set. Okay, I had a vision. Hold on, please hold. Cute little denim tube top. Absolutely love and adore. Had the vision of white cargo-y pants. And that's what I got. Princess Polly pants hit every time. They're just white cargo pants, as the title suggests, and they have a little stretchy moment. So I really thought that these together with some sneaky sneaks, maybe not. I haven't thought it through with the shoes. It feels very summery, okay? I love how I just skip right on past spring and it's automatically summer. Let's take a second to show a pair of shoes. Oh, I also got hair clips. Look at these girlies. I like pinning my hair back. I don't know why, it's cute. So I got little black bows to do that. I don't know why I put them in the shoes. Look at these little sandals. Just these black, strappy, kind of platform sandals. I need some versatility with shoes for the summer because it's really boots or sneakers. So I want a sandal moment. Then I got another set, and they would honestly look really good with those sandals. Is this mini skirt? It's that linen-y material. I don't know, it feels like summer. Love. And then I also got the matching Hawaiian dad shirt. That's honestly how I would describe this, and probably the only way. It's giving, you put a black bikini under this, you'll leave it open, you wear the skirt, you wear the sandals, some sunnies, maybe the clips if you're feeling crazy, and there's your I'm going out. I don't know what the day is going to turn into, but I'm ready for anything with this outfit. The last thing that I'm gonna show you are another pair of shoes, but these girlies, oh, I did not know that I was gonna be going to Stagecoach when I picked these out. I just knew that they were too good not to have in my collection. Look at these bad boys. Are you kidding me? These are so good. I can't wait to plan an outfit to go with them. I love a good cowboy boot. Any way that you can make it zesty, I want it. That's everything that I got from Princess Polly. If you guys want to get 20% off your entire order, then you can use the coupon code Sienna20. I will have the links to all of the items that I showed you guys in the description box below in case you want to pick up anything. Now let me show you how the office is. It's a constant problem. It's a constant problem, but I need to, this is where I'm supposed to be productive. Can you see in a dress? Probably. What? Don't even look at my nails. I have the little press-on nails that I want to try later, but all the PR packages are over there. Ugh. PR, it's just all a mess, right? And I need to steam clean my carpet, but that's gonna be for another day. I'm gonna at least vacuum in here and just get it as organized as I can for now. I really need to. It's just all, I can't. I listen to Red Dead on a repeat. It's my background noise, okay? It's my background noise. We're not gonna talk about it. I'm going to go through all the PR over here and then over there and just consolidate it, and we'll see where we are after that. This is the absolute best that I can do right now because we're just gonna have to have some PR stuff there. Until I fully go through this, give away beauty products and stuff, we're just gonna have to have that stuff there. We just won't look at it, okay? Those are the nails, and then I'm gonna take this to I'm gonna take these to Stagecoach because they're little travel size perfumes, and I love one of these, I know, so I'm gonna take it with me. And then these are the little press-on nails that I wanna do. I kinda wanna do these, but I'm also scared of doing this for Stagecoach because how sturdy are they? And I kinda like I don't like my natural nails. Let's not get it confused. I just like not having anything on my fingers. Who have I become? No lashes, no nails. I don't know what's going on either, but these are the ones that I kind of want to do. We might just try them tomorrow and see what happens. Why did I say madman? Madame. That does not seem like a natural word to me. Okay. This is about as clean as the room is gonna be for now. And then I'm gonna steam clean the carpets when I get back from Stagecoach. I tried to not wear all black today, but I can't do it. I can't do it and you can't make me. Sore. I can't get rid of the accent. The accent will never leave my body. You would probably have to perform an exorcism. I look so ferociously white. It's actually rude, disgusting, and I want to cry. Oh, this is sunscreen, and I love that it's, ooh, that was not the first step. Also, can we just take a moment to talk about the fact that I have no lashes, no nails, and I'm like in my natural era? Like, what is this? I think it's, okay, this is a whole chat I wanted to have. I have a cut on my face. Okay. I need to get back into, have I ever been good at vlogging? Probably not. I really don't think so, but I need to get back into the hang of it. Oh, I've been gone. There was too many things that I wanted to talk about. First, I've been gone. Went MIA again because I dipped and I wanted to finish the templates because I made that all-in-one life planner on Notion, but then I wanted to, or the Notion template, and I wanted to make the smaller, or take the smaller components from it and put them as their own templates. So in case you don't want to get the big bitch, you could just get different parts of it. And then that turned into, because you know me, perfectionism. And I was like, because there was some edits that I made to the template on my own dashboard because I had the duplicate of the template and then I made the edits to it. So all the edits that I made to my template, on my dashboard, I was like, you know what, let's just change the functionality. Let's just, Okay, let's just make it a little bit easier. I put like a navigation bar at the top. I changed the functionality of some things. It's beautiful. Organized it, made it more concise because I did not like the whole navigation bar being so long. So I put it into just like 8 pages, and then within those pages, what are you doing? Why do I have eyeliner in my hand? Girl, what is I can't, oh, I made a chai. Anyway, it should only take me 30 minutes to do my makeup, but because I'm trying to do this, it'll take about 10 years, so. And I'll have to charge my camera like 17 times, but I stopped using the really nice, beautiful, good new camera that I bought because I was like, the clips are so ugly. It's just not looking good. And I was like, you know what? I'm frustrated. I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna go back to ye old faithful until I figure it out. But this battery thing, I can't handle it. I can't, it already takes me too long to film a video, and now to have to stop, charge, stop, charge, stop, charge, stop, it overheats, let it cool. I can't. I don't even want to pick that up. You guys already know my makeup routine. I'm not showing you. If you want to watch that video, I actually really, really like that video. I did like an old school YouTube get ready with me everyday makeup routine, and we just yapped through the whole thing. So if you want to see how I do my everyday makeup and you want to hear all the Yap City stuff, it'll be linked somewhere, anywhere. Anyway, so we can just yap right now without you knowing what the fuck I'm doing, because you can watch that video if you really care. Can you see this giant red? It's like a hive, but it also looks like it's forming a cystic pimple, like a little cystic girly. I can't tell what it's gonna be. This has just been a thing for me. I will get like, I think they're stress hives on my face, but then sometimes they will turn into a cystic under the skin pimple. But sometimes they're just like a little hive, and I can never tell what the fuck is going on. I don't know what's going on with my skin. I mean, I definitely notice I get more whiteheads when I eat a lot of sugar. There, we've solved that problem. But these, like the hive/cystic acne, I don't know what's going on. I also think that I'm very highly elevated cortisol because my blood pressure is super high, and that's what caused my blood vessel to rupture in my nose. There's so many things I want to talk about, and they're just all coming into my head at one time because everything is always important in that moment for me. So it's really stressful in here. So what I was saying was, look at my skin, I hate it, but that wasn't the point. There was something that I was saying before that, but fuck if I know. I don't know how we went from talking about me being MIA and fixing the Notion to my skin. Made some edits to the Notion template, and then I made 2 different levels of it. So I made a different version that didn't have the travel planner and the whole finance thing, and then that one's just, that still has the notifications, and that one's like the ultimate life planner. So that just doesn't have those 2 things. And then you have just the life planner, which is all of the pages except for the travel, except for the finance big version, and then it doesn't have the life management section, which has all the organization stuff, and then it doesn't have the notifications, and that one's like $10 because that one's like the simple, if you want to get your life together, but on the most, this is not the foundation I use. If you want to get your life together, but you're not like insanely neatly crazy about organization and you just want a place to organize your life in like the most chill way possible, that one's for you, girly. That's for you, babe. So we've got 3 levels then of the all-in-one life planner. And then I did the ultimate finance template. That's her own thing too, which is included in the all-in-one, like you already know, but you can get that separately if you don't want the whole thing, whatever. And then we did the travel planner on her own if you want her, but she's in the all-in-one. And then I do have to make edits to the content creator dashboard, but like a lot of people were very into that, and I love it, but I need to definitely make like adjustments to it. I'm gonna do that next. So if you bought that, you could just go back to the link that's in your PDF download thing, and then just go back to that, and the template will be updated and you can reduplicate it. Anyway, so that's where I've been gone. And like my thing with that is, again, I don't know how to balance anything ever. When I'm doing a project, it's like all or nothing. So I was doing like 12 to 14 hours a day of doing that, which it's crazy how long it actually takes to like redo all the tutorials and write the instructions and like basically do the template stuff and like separate the other one. Like it took me 3 weeks and like 10 to 12 hour days, and I only skipped like maybe 2 or 3 days in those 3 weeks where I didn't do any of it. That's actually insane. I woke up at 3 in the morning for like a week, and 4 in the morning the other week, which crazy. I'm just really good at rolling out of bed and getting straight to doing something productive on a computer. I don't know if it's my ADHD, it probably is. I've always tried to like have my morning routine be like neurotypical hoes, which I just as I realized, because being diagnosed with ADHD, it never works for me. I cannot ever have a routine, and I get so angry at myself thinking it's my fault about that. But it's like, babes, my brain doesn't work the same, and I need to do things to maximize my productivity, my efficiency, and not get into all this shit that comes with ADHD, like the paralysis and the overwhelm and the frustration and the whole thing. I'm trying to be more chill and recognize what works best for me might not be like the pretty thing, the aesthetic thing to do on Instagram and YouTube, which I hate because you know the perfectionism. I really, really need to have things be pretty. Like, it was bothering me that I was waking up before the sun because I like being up at like 5 a.m., but the sun's not out, and I think vlogging during the dark horrendously ugly. I don't know the solution to that. Oh, but the solution that I kind of found was that I really like getting up, going straight to doing like a deep focus work for like an hour or so, and then I can do like the rest of a regular person morning routine. So I was thinking, I wake up at 5, and then I get to do my little deep work until the sun comes up, and when the sun comes up, then I can start vlogging. Then we can do like a cute morning routine and do all the things that I want to do. I don't know, again, how we got to that when we were talking about the templates. Anyway, so I did the template project, and that's where I've been because I cannot do both at the same time. Like, I do not know how to balance things, and I really need to work on that. I have so many things that I want to do, and I don't want like vlogging, or I just don't want one component of my life to overtake everything, and then I don't do everything that I want to do. I just know editing Sienna like has to go through all the footage and is like, dumb bitch. Oh, my battery's dying. We were talking about me being natural, and then it almost led into what I wanted to talk about, which was the fact that I'm in my late 20s and I'm in a new, I don't even know how to explain it. I just feel like I am transitioning to a different phase of my life, like the different timeline of my life. You know, you have your teens and that era of your life, and then your 20s, your early 20s. And I just feel like now I'm entering into my late 20s, and it's a whole different era. It's a whole different vibe. And then I realized that I want to move. I can't stand being in the same place for so long, and I realized that it's gonna be my 3rd year in this apartment. Why did I close this? I just re-signed my lease, and I was going to impulsively, my friend has the cutest house in LA, but downside is it's not in the location that I would want it to be, and just things didn't work out. It was so cute, and it like led me to realize, okay, I'm kind of ready for my leaving the OC era, and I wanna be in a little house. I like an apartment, but I'm ready to garden, bitch. I'm ready to be domestic. I'm ready to be in my late 20s. I don't know how to explain that better, but I just like, you know, the slower life and the hobbies. I just want to do more with my life and stop existing and start living, because I remember when I turned 20, the day I turned 20, and I had said to myself that day when I turned 20, I remember it, I was like, I want to live and romanticize my 20s. Like the whole decade, I don't want to waste a day, and I want to romanticize it all. I want to live life to the fullest. I want to stop existing. I want to start living. Fast forward to now, today, I'm 26. And while I've lived and I've had experiences, I constantly feel like my life is the same on a day-to-day basis, but like I'll have strings of memories that are memorable. And I know that that's what life is, but I just keep feeling like I'm waiting for my life to begin the way that I want it to. If that makes sense, I really don't know how to describe this better. I hope it's making sense. And also, being in my late 20s is like 27. I'm 26. Fresh 26, I still have time. I'm just learning a lot about myself, and I'm really trying to figure out what I want. I just think that the universe has its plan for me, and everything that is supposed to happen will happen on divine timing. Yeah, anyway, I feel like I look ugly now. Like the headband was doing something for me, and then I took it off, and it's not giving what it needs to give. Anyway, no clue where I left off on the last vlog, but I'm filming another one, so I'm gonna just pop in and end this vlog wherever it is. I hope you enjoyed this messy, chaotic vlog. That's all of my vlogs, honestly. I'm in a very self-deprecating mood, but when am I not, honestly? Hope you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, don't tell me because I'm sensitive. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, okay. Got it, thanks. Bye.